Hello angels, it's Dr. Michelle Nielsen here, creator of Vital Angel, and we're going to talk about the pelvic floor and the use of Kegel weights. So we've talked about in previous videos the importance of keeping your pelvic floor, the group of muscles at the bottom of your pelvis, strong and healthy so that you can enjoy better bladder control, an excellent sex life, and a taut, firm tummy. So today we're going to talk about the Kegel weights and how they can be used. We have this set of Kegel exercise weights, and we're just going to go inside the box and have a sneak preview here. So as you'll see, this set actually comes with 5 progressive weights. So we have a very light one here all the way up to this one. They're color coded, and this one gets heavier. There are different ways to use the Kegel weights. We love to use them as a conjunction along with the Kegel Angel toner. So once you've got your pelvic floor strength up with the electronic toner and you don't need a daily session, this is an excellent way to maintain your strength. So what you would do is you would insert the weight that you can comfortably hold in. You put a little bit of gel in, and you just insert the Kegel weight, and your body recognizes that there's something there to hold in and will naturally contract the muscles, and you just go about your daily activities. So this means you can go out jogging, you can go do your shopping, go to work, and you're actually doing your pelvic floor workout on the go. Another way to use the weights is, or I should say another nice thing about the weights, it's a way to track your progress. So because they are progressively weighted, you may find that in the beginning, you can only hold in the second one. And as you're building up strength with your pelvic floor toner, you will notice that you'll be able to hold in the heavier one. So it's a really nice way to track your progress. The other way that we think is a really nice way, or the other reason we provide the Kegel weights, is because we understand that some women are actually uncomfortable with inserting something electronic in their vagina. So you can use the Kegel weights on their own as a way to start to strengthen your pelvic floor. What you would do is you would start with the lowest weight that you can comfortably hold in. You insert it, go about your daily activities, and when you can hold it in comfortably, you just start progressing across the weeks until you can hold on to the strongest, to the heaviest one. So it's another wonderful natural way made with medical grade silicone for you to strengthen your pelvic floor. And we're just happy to promote anything that helps you keep your pelvic floor strong and healthy, because we know how important it is in order for you to have really strong bladder control, to enjoy better sex, and of course to keep that tummy nice and taut and firm.